Hello, I am Tanmay Mitra, a passionate student of Electrical and Electronic Engineering at Daffodil International University. Currently in 5th semester with a CGPA 3.43 and growing. I am deeply eager about technology, and especially in the areas of PLC, automation, and power system engineering, and committed to growth, excellence, and impact. So I have gained hands-on experience on MATLAB, SPICE, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Office. I have also skill on Math, C program and Python, and I have also in graphics designing skill in Illustrator and Canva. So these skills help me to contribute in my academics and extracurricular activities in my university. Before my university, I began my academic journey at Rawan High School, where I passed SSC in 2029 in science group with a GPA 4.44, and then I completed my HSC at North Sindhi Public College in 2021 with a GPA 5.00, and now I am studying in Daffodil International University. I love apply my knowledge at practical soil. So I built 3-input audio mixer with the LM741 and automatic water motor pump controller with UA741. This project helps me to understand the circuit design, timing control, and real-life project making. Beside my academic, I actively taken part in various leaderships and volunteering roles. I served as graphics design coordinator at IEEE IAS DIU student branch chapter. I am a campus ambassador on International Congress on Recent Trade in Computer Science in 2025. I have also lead in graphics design head on Half Price Daffodil International University in 2025. I am also a volunteer and campus ambassador in 4th Robotic Olympiad in 2024, and I am also a volunteer in Job Utsav 2024 at Daffodil International University. I am also a member of IEEE Computer Society, IEEE Women in Engineering. I am a former executive on DIU Robotics Club. My journey helped me to responsible, punctual, and adaptable individuals. I have developed my communications, event management, and leadership skills. I have lead teams, mentor others, and manage logistics. In short, I am a learner, a teammate, an engineering student who is ready to take challenges and grow. Thank you so much for watching my video resume. If you would like to contact with me or collaborate with me, my contact details here.